TNXP closed the session of Friday, the 29th of August 2025, with a loss of 4.8% and an intraday low of $29.05. So the stock has continued to print lower prices, even with the FDA approving its drug to manage pain related to a type of chronic condition called fibromyalgia. That news came out on Friday, the 15th of August. And then on Monday, the 18th, the company disclosed that it's going to be at least up till mid 2026 before they expect an inflection in sales of the drug, Tonmya. And, um, and a certain analyst at Zacks, David Bodds, indicated that this could be the beginning of the turnover from short term traders to long term investors, given that the stock the news has come out, and maybe in a very short time, nothing else may be coming up. So let's see now. The extrapolation is saying that this weakness or lower prices will continue to print up till Thursday, the 11th of September. Then after that, we might get a bounce that is expected to also remain strong up till the 9th of October. So indeed, you probably know that already. It's not unusual for this sort of things to happen to small cap biotech stocks that are expecting something positive to come out. It's so usually the case of buy the rumor and sell the news. So in terms of projections, we have 46.14 currently in play as of Friday. And outside that, before as of the day they had that call, the projections were 59.4 to 63.47. Even higher prices before then, 58.97, 70.4 to 77.49. But I know this is those projections are not encouraging if you're in need for the short term. You need to see something. You need to see a bounce. So yeah, the moving averages are now severely bearish, and their derivatives are equally negative as well, indicating that maybe we may continue to see low prices print. You know, yeah, we may continue to see lower prices print just as the extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is indicating. So let's have a look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, so but in any case, before we have a look at that 4-hour chart, we could still try and have a look and see what the probabilities are saying. They may help us. They may, encourage us a bit, or console us a bit, if you like. So we have here 59.42. So if you look over here, this is where you have the moving averages. So if the moving average is less than the price the target you have in mind, then you're looking at a probability that is less than 50%. Yeah, so if the moving average is less than your target, then you are looking at a probability that is less than 50%. If that moving average is greater than 50%, then so if that moving average is greater than your target, then you are looking at a probability that is greater than 50%. Yeah. So let's see what we have here. That's 59.42 is what we're supposed to get. 59.42. Not easy to pinpoint it. 59.33. Let's see, 59.4, 59.33, 59.4. Okay, let's see. Okay, 59.33. Okay, so we have the moving average is there. Not if none of them is close to $59. So we have, I think, very low chance of retesting that anytime soon. Very low chance of retesting that, but we can validate that by checking on this as well. Checking on this as well. Yes, we do as well. It's less than 50%. Very, I think, it's looking quite small. But regardless of all of that, within that small probability, a lot can still happen. But I don't really expect that there's going to be any catalyst anytime soon. I don't know of any. You may know of. I have not checked their website to see what's coming up, but we could quickly have a look and see what could be coming up. T Tonix pharmaceuticals. Okay, so let's see. Do we have any pipelines here? Tonmya demonstrators. So, okay, we got that already. Okay, okay. Let's see pipeline. Central nervous TNX immunology. Yeah, let's see. Some have the pipeline tabulated, so that's easy for you to pick up the dates. Let's see. Immunology TNX 1500. Let's see. Okay, this is more like it. Clinical phase, no dates. Okay, let's look at 1700. No dates. TNX 801. So I think there are indeed catalysts, but we don't know the dates. We don't. You can see them here. They are still in the pipeline. Not they don't. We don't know the dates. Yeah, because the dates can be volatile. I can imagine that the company may not want to disclose the dates. Some companies disclose dates and all that. Um, yeah, some companies disclose dates, but if you disclose dates, then it can affect your stock as well, even though it may be affect your stock positively, but it could also do so negatively as well. You know. So we digressed. We were supposed to be looking at the 4 hour chart. Let's have a look and see what's going on there, how bad it is there. So this is the 4 hour chart. Okay, so here we can see a contraction, an accumulative contraction is expected to play out. So accumulative in the sense that it's not, it's just going to consolidate, but with a bias to the upside. It is expected that this will be a phase where buyers will be gradually picking up shares. That's what is being extrapolated here. So who knows whether that will be the case? Here, everything is severely bearish. Derivatives and price pressure momentums are all severely bearish. So we don't. There are indeed catalysts, but we don't exactly know when they're going to come up. We don't know exactly know when they're going to come up, but we'll see. They will continue to update us. I think if we have to go back, I think let's just say, could it be that let's see now. Let's see, was there this news 12th of August? We could check to see whether this was whether anything happened on the 12th of August to see whether that was the reason why the stock spiked. 12th of August. Let's find out. 12th of, okay. holding expect to post a loss of okay, earnings preview. Okay, soft. Okay, okay. So it reported, but they may have that news may have been there, you know. So it reported on the 14th. The already stock was going up, but it may have. Let's see. Okay, it disclosed its earnings on the 11th, and then okay, yeah. So this is what may have added to that. Yeah, this is where they start all the pipelines. They did mention okay. This is probably also referring to the Tonmya here, even though it's not explicitly indicated. So it's a case of watch and see. You never know what's going to come up. Never know what's going to come up. Okay, so let's see how things go, and I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.